Hello, and welcome to our SkillsEngine tutorial on giving feedback on a profile. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to provide feedback on a profile you've been invited to review. First, you will receive a link to the feedback session from the profile owner. Click on the link to open the feedback session or paste it into your browser to get started. If you are not already logged into your account, or if you do not yet have a SkillsEngine account, you will need to sign in or sign up before you can enter the feedback session. From this first screen, you can see some information about the profile you've been asked to review. Click Get Started. You will then need to provide a little bit of information about yourself: your first name, last name, company name, zip code, and your relationship to the profile. Do you perform this job currently, manage people who perform this job, work in a related industry, or teach this job? You can either start at the beginning and review all of the skills, or jump between specific skill sets. Use the navigation menu on the left to switch between skill sets as needed. For each skill, you will rate its criticality to the profile using the following scale: critical, important, beneficial, or irrelevant. If you do not want to rate a particular skill, you can choose to skip it. You can either rate the skill by clicking directly onto the rating you wish to give it, or you can turn on keyboard shortcuts and use the numbers on your keyboard to easily select the rating you wish to give this skill. Once you have rated all of the skills, or the ones you were asked to review, click Submit Feedback in the top right corner of the page. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes, I'm sure to finalize your feedback. You will then have the option to leave additional comments. Enter any comments you have and click the Submit button to complete the process. You can then exit the review and you'll be brought back to the SkillsEngine homepage. That's it. You've successfully provided feedback on a profile. Your input is valuable in helping improve the quality and accuracy of the profile for the profile owner. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.